Now the students today again the permutation and combination, and before this permutation we are having one more important term, that is factorial. That is factorial. The factorial is denoted by n, written as n factorial. This is written as n factorial, and this is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, and so on. That is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is a factorial denoted by this, or this may be written as, but most commonly used is this. Okay, so this is written as a factorial. This is one important term before permutations and combination. So therefore, how to use the factorial in questions? I will start with the exercise 7.2 factorial. The question is evaluate or find the value of 5 factorial. So therefore this 5 factorial will be written as 5 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 0 factorial is equal to 1. So therefore on multiplication this will gives you 20, that is 6 into 1, so that is the value of this is 121. So this is the way to find the value of factorial. I am writing one more, that is 8 factorial. How to write 8 factorial? That is equal to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Need not write 1, and you have to multiply this as 56. This is 30. This is 12 and 2, and you multiply this and get the result. That is 56 into 12 into this. You can find out. Okay. Now after this, I will start with another question of the same exercise. The next question is evaluate. The question number 3rd. Evaluate 8 factorial upon 6 factorial into 2 factorial. How to solve this? Students, you to break this factorial into 7 and 6. यहाँ पर रुक जाना है क्योंकि नीचे हमारे पास 6 factorial है और ये दोनों टर्म्स आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगी. 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. Now this 6 to 6 cancel. This will gives you 8 into 7 by 2. That implies 28 is the value of this. Now I start with the another question. This is very important. This is the question is find the value of x. Find the value of x. You open your NCERT book, read it properly and solve it. The question is find the value of x. How to find the value of x? See, सबसे पहले हमें इस फैक्टोरियल को ब्रेक करना है. तो मुझे क्या चेक करना है? सबसे बड़ा जो फैक्टोरियल है वो 8 है. इस 8 को ब्रेक करूंगा 6 तक. तो यहाँ पर है मेरे पास 1/6 फैक्टोरियल प्लस इसे लिखूंगा मैं 7 into 6 फैक्टोरियल, और इधर भी ब्रेक कर दूंगा जो मिनिमम फैक्टोरियल होगा, दैट इज 7 into 6 फैक्टोरियल. देन दिस 1/6 फैक्टोरियल टेकन आउटसाइड और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आपको मिलेगा 1/7 is equal to x upon 56. Okay, now this after this on simplification you have to find out x. See once again 1/6 factorial, मैंने 1/6 factorial कॉमन ले लिया है, तो 1 plus 7 by this becomes 8/7. I am writing here, this is 8/7 and x upon 56. Then how to find this x? Cross multiplying by this is equal to x. So therefore the value of x will be 64. So this is the result of this. So this is a way to solve it. Now next that is evaluate n factorial upon n minus r factorial, where this n is given as when n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 2. n and r are both given, and the question is you have to find out the value of this. So see how to find the value of this by substituting n, that is 6 factorial, n is 6 and minus r is 2 and outside sign of factorial. This will be written as 6 factorial upon 4 factorial. Now split this 6 factorial will be break on this way. ओके आपको इस 6 फैक्टोरियल को ब्रेक करते जाना जब तक सेम फैक्टोरियल ना मिल जाए. ये 4 फैक्टोरियल है, दोनों आपस में कैंसिल हो गए. तो देयरफॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस दैट इज n is 6, r is 2, तो 6 फैक्टोरियल अपॉन that is 4 factorial, 6 into 5, so value of this becomes 30. Okay, n is 6 factorial. I am once again telling you, n is 6 factorial, r is 2 factorial, so therefore 6 minus, substituting the value 6 factorial upon 6 minus 2 factorial, this becomes 6 factorial upon 4 factorial, broken into two parts, that is 6 into 5 into 4, 4 factorial cancel, and the result is 30. Now after this factorial we start with the topic, that is permutation. Now how to write the permutations? The topic is permutation, that is permutations. Students, see what is the permutation. This permutation is the arrangement, that means this is arrangement. Arrangement means the different arrangement that can be made by given set of things by taking some or all of them at a time. Means the different arrangements of the different things by taking some or all of them at a time, and is noted by NPR, or is also written as P stands for permutations, NRR, and given by the formula n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Okay, so that is n things are to be arranged in r ways. So therefore what is the permutation? Permutation is the arrangement, the different arrangement that can be made out of a given set of things by taking some or all of them at a time is called permutation, and denoted by NPR, that is this or this way. So how to arrange the different things? I will start. Question 1 is evaluate. How to apply the formula C? Evaluate. How to evaluate? The question is 12p3. So students, you see the formula, that is n is 12, r is 3, so therefore that is 12 minus 3 factorial n minus r can be written as 12 factorial upon 9 factorial, that is equal to 12 into 11 into 10, 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial, और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है इसके 9 फैक्टोरियल, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, आपको मिल जाएगा 12 into 10 into 11 into 12, and you have to solve it, that is equal to 12 into 110, and this will be your result, or this one simplification can be written as 1320. Okay, so this is the way to calculate this. Now I will start with the questions of 7.3 exercise based on permutations, and what is the importance of this permutation. The 7.3 exercise, the first question, how many 3-digit number? The first question is how many 3-digit number? आपको 3-digit number बनाना है, can be formed by using the digits लेने हैं 1 to 9. If no digit is repeated, the question is how many 3-digit number can be made. इसमें से 3-digit number बनाना है, digit कौन से यूज करने हैं 1 to 9, and the condition is no digit is repeated, और कोई भी digit repeat नहीं होना चाहिए. तो therefore the total ways, you have to write the total ways, total permutations of this, total arrangement of this, that is 9 and 3. That is, you have to find the 3-digit number out of this 9, and it can be written as 9 factorial or this can be written as 9 minus r, that is 3 factorial. So students, that is 9 factorial upon 6 factorial. Then simplify it, that is 9 into 8 into 7, 9 into 8 into 7, and I am not writing the 6 factorial, वो cancel हो जाएगा. Therefore this can be written as, that is 72 into 7 or is equal to 4504. This is the value of this. Now ऑलरेडी अगर मैं इसको विदाउट परमुटेशन यूज करना चाहता हूं तो कैसे लिखूंगा, हमें 3 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है. 3 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है. दीज आर द 3 प्लेसेस, दैट इज यूनिट प्लेस, 10th प्लेस एंड 100. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. अब 9 डिजिट मेरे पास है. 9 में से कौन बनाना है, 1 to 9 यूज करने हैं और कौन लेना है, 3 डिजिट नंबर लेना है. तो इसके लिए जो है टोटल बेस है 9. आउट ऑफ दिस 9 वी कैन fill up the unit place by 9 ways, and this is the 8th way and this is the 7th way, since the digits are not repeated. So therefore total ways we have to write it as, this was the fundamental principle of counting. fundamental principle of counting से भी ऐसा लिखना था. लेकिन अगर आपको ये क्वेश्चन fundamental principle of counting से करना है तो you have to write it in all things in words, that is unit place can be filled in 9 ways, then 10th place in 8 ways, then 100th place in 7th ways. Therefore by fundamental principle of counting the total number of ways will be this into this into this, the total number of this. So therefore in permutation you can write it as directly, that is 9p3, and what is 9p3 you know. Okay, now I am starting the question number second, that is second. The question is how many 4 digit number आपको बनाने हैं, 4 digit number. How many 4 digits number are there when, how many 4 digits numbers are there when no digit is repeated. अब आपको फिर से बात करनी है, 4 digit नंबर बनाना है and no digit is repeated. अब कोई भी डिजिट रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. लेकिन आप लोग जानते हैं कि टोटल डिजिट्स कितने हैं, दैट इज 9. तो 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है, नो डिजिट इज रिपीटेड. तो आप देखें स्टूडेंट्स कैसे, that is 4 digit means this is the unit place, this is the 10th place, this is the 100 and this is the 1000 place. Now the 4 digit number, the digits are from 0 to 9, total are 10. टोटल डिजिट्स कितने हमारे पास, 10 है, क्योंकि 0 भी आएगा. अब यहाँ पर 0 की बात नहीं करेगी है, तो टोटल डिजिट्स बन गए 10. अब मुझे देखना है 1000 प्लेस पे, अगर मैं इसका 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना चाहता हूँ तो 1000 प्लेस पे 0 नहीं होगा, देयर विल बी नो 0. अगर यहाँ 0 आता है तो डिजिट बन जाएगा 0, 7, 8, 9. तो दिस इज नॉट ए 4 डिजिट नंबर. तो देयरफॉर 0 विल नॉट बी इन द 1000 प्लेस. देयरफॉर वी हैव टू 1000 प्लेस कैन बी रिटन इन 9 ways. So this is, there are no zero for this place. Therefore this place means this 1000 place can be written in 9 ways. How? Total 9 ways. कैसे, क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे पास टोटल जो डिजिट बच गए हैं वो 0 को छोड़ के कितने हैं, 1 to 9 9 है. उन 9 में से we can pick up any one. Okay, तो there are total 9 ways to write the 1000 place. Now अब मेरे पास डिजिट रिपीट नहीं करना है, अब मुझे 3 प्लेसेस फिलअप करने हैं, लेकिन डिजिट्स मेरे पास अभी भी 9 है. तो ये जो 3 प्लेसेस हैं, दिस 3 प्लेसेस कैन बी रिटन एज आउट ऑफ द 9 in 9p3 ways. These are total 9p3 ways. Therefore if I want to write the total ways अगर मुझे इसके लिखने हैं तो what are the total ways? That is 9 तो 1000 प्लेस के हैं into 9p3 इसके हैं जो रिमेनिंग 3 डिजिट्स. फिर मैं बता रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स एक बार लिसन वंस अगेन. हमें 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है और डिजिट्स कौन से हैं, 0 to 9 तक यूज करने हैं. देयर आर टोटल 10 डिजिट्स. Now in order to make the 4 digit number we have in unit 10, 100 and 1000 place. 1000 place में 0 नहीं आ सकता. अगर 0 आएगा तो मैं आपको एग्जांपल दिया था जैसे 756. दिस इज नॉट ए 4 डिजिट नंबर. अब ऐसा नंबर नहीं बन सकता. देयरफॉर 1000 प्लेस में 0 नहीं हो सकता. अब 0 नहीं होगा तो आउट ऑफ 1 to 9 कोई ना कोई डिजिट होगा. तो देयर आर टोटल 9 ways to fill up this 1000 place. Now remaining these 3, इन 3 को पिकअप करने के लिए मेरे पास अब 0 भी आ जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर बीच में अगर मैं लिखना चाहूँ तो दिस इज ए 4 डिजिट नंबर. तो 0 यहाँ बीच में कहीं भी आ सकता है. तो therefore again we left with 9 digits to write the 3 digits out of these 9. The total ways are this. So therefore by permutation the total ways of this will be 9 into 9 factorial, that is 9p3 is 9 factorial upon 6 factorial, or can be written as 9, 8, 7, and you have to simplify this and get the result. Okay, so this is the way to apply the permutations, and next in the next lecture I will take some more problems based on this permutation. Okay.